Hi, my name is Jordan Yanechko. I'm really excited to be a part of the event today. I think it's a great opportunity for us to talk about some of the interesting things going on in EIT manufacturing. And I'd really like to talk a little bit about the project that I'm doing together with our partners, LMS, Inestec, Intec Centras, Linpra, the Slovak University of Technology, and also the Czech University of Technology in Prague. We're doing some very interesting things along the area of Industry 4.0 and digitalization. And I wanted to give you a little bit of an overview about some of the things that we're doing, a little bit less about the project structure and more about both what the results are and also what the motivation is for what we're trying to do. Now, the results are going to be a roadmap document that allows small and medium enterprises to better understand how to use Industry 4.0 and digitalization technologies. The motivation that we had is just simply the fact that you see a big gap right now between large enterprises and small and medium enterprises about what their capabilities are. And we're trying to really go into detail about understanding what those differences are. And we've done that in a couple of different ways. One of the first ways is to actually go through and with a questionnaire and interview structure, we together with the partners have gone through and done over 50 interviews, understanding, especially in risk countries, what their current capabilities are. And you see this sort of imaged over here. We've mapped according to the RAMI 4.0 model, dealing with business layers, hierarchical layers, value chain, and also the ability to understand what are the different, and this is on the far left-hand side, what are the different business drivers and the vision that the company has from the first place. And we've mapped that together into a good cross view about what's going on in different sub-industries and also different geographies. The additional thing we've done to base the statements that we make our roadmap on are in the area of the open calls that we did. We had 20 specific projects dealing with innovation for industry 4.0 and being able to understand what are the most important things that companies need to be working on right now. If they're maybe a little bit smaller than some of the big ones that have a huge depth of resources, what are the most important things that they focus on? And so we're in the process right now. We're almost done. The open calls have finished, should be finishing up today, and we'll be going through and making sure that we've got a good understanding about how to summarize that information and make it available for everybody that reads our document. So, looking forward to your questions later today as part of the panel session that we've got. And if you've got any detailed questions about both the results that we have from the questionnaire, the discussions that went on as part of the open call, or also the final document that we have about the roadmap, please stop by our virtual booth and we'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you very much.